you never own the property, you don't spend a dollar, and you close within 7 to 14 days. Strategy number 1, I call it flipping contracts. Other people call it wholesaling. What I love about this is you put a property under contract, you find a cash buyer who wants it, and you assign the contract to them for a fee. You never own the property, you don't spend a dollar, and you close within 7 to 14 days. Step 1 is looking for a seller who's motivated, right? Needs to sell fast, has a property that needs work, they have some type of distress, foreclosure, they don't live in the area, tired landlord, inherited the property, they don't want it, they're going through a divorce. These sellers can't wait for traditional sales process. Then you determine what the ARV is. It's the after repair value. What would be the worth, the value of the property if it was all fixed up? You pull comps in the neighborhood that shows the property completely renovated, and you determine what they sold for. That's gonna give you the after repair maximum value. Then you estimate your repair cost. You either walk the property or you get videos and pictures. Not everything needs fixing, right? You gotta basically determine what you're gonna fix compared to the comparables you just saw in your after repair value. Is it the roof? Is it the AC, kitchen, bathrooms, floor, paint, etc.? Then you get estimates, or you can use a cost per square foot rule. We give you these calculators and we show you the formula. Be conservative, you can overestimate repairs, and that's how you determine to calculate your offer. Then you take that maximum value, that after repair value, multiply it by 70%. This is just one of the many formulas we show you on how to calculate an offer. Once you multiply the after repair value by 70%, subtract the estimated repair costs, and that's going to give you the MAO, the maximum allowable offer. Not the actual offer you make, it's just your maximum. You start a little lower from that. Then, if the seller accepts, we get it under contract. We use a standard purchase agreement. We include and or assigns clause on there. This lets you assign the contract to someone else. We put a small earnest deposit. Yes, usually between $500 to $1,000. This is what we do every single time. And we include an inspection contingency for protection. Now, step 6, we go and we find our cash buyer. We market the deal to our buyers list. We post to different investor groups. We reach out to local flippers and cash buyers and local agents. We show them the numbers. Here's the after repair value. This is what an estimated repair cost can be. And here's the potential profit. Then we assign it to the buyer who's interested. We create an assignment agreement. It's a 1-page that we give you. Your buyer is going to pay you an assignment fee. This can be anywhere between $5,000 to $25,000 on average, but we've made 6-figure assignment fees. That is doable. There is home runs in this business. And they take over your contract with the seller. You've assigned them that contract. You flip that contract to them. They close directly with the seller with their money. You get paid at closing and you get your $500 back from escrow money deposit. Beautiful. Zero money out of pocket.